Welcome, it's Astonish, and today I'm gonna tell you something which is a little bit update in my whole channel. I'm going to switch to the plasticity for my hard surface modeling, but the course I promised with you is already done, so I just need to edit it, and I'm going to skip those levels, and I'm just still going to just upload the same last update, and the rest of the classes should be related to the plasticity. Right now I'm just also going to learn. It just took a little bit time. I'm going to take some paid courses. I don't know, there's no some legit stuff right now here on YouTube, but once I understand the plasticity and overall stuff, I will start making tutorials on it, so you can also switch to that cool software. Well, may some of you don't know about it, so let me tell you. Plasticity is a tool which is fantastic for the concept designers. You don't need to worry about any topology or any technical stuff like flow or artifacts. Just make what you want to make and boom. And it's also good for CAD modeling and way easy to make complex shapes. One of my teachers, like you can say, I think they are my teachers because when I started hard surface modeling, so they helped me a lot in this stuff, which is Blender Bros. Like they make a video on it, like sub D color. It was so funny. Like, look at this scene.
Title. And this is why I also said looking forward to comment section, because there's gonna be a lot of morons commenting, something will never die, something is so good, because you always gonna eat something in the fucking industry. There's a lot of some kind of fucking moron who's gonna say some shit like this, you know, because they kind of so heated and emotional. Fucking Muppets.
And after that, I accept that the sub-D modeling is so bad and worse. Yeah, I know we get really nice results, but at the end, overall, it's so complicated when you're stuck in some kind of art shapes which are so filled with the artifacts and some issues. So it's worse when you add too much poly count, so you have no too much control on your sub-D modeling. But in the case of plasticity, it's so good. And for those who are just beginners, I would say that just stick for the Blender right now. And once you start making money a little bit, even like even $10, $10, just switch to the plasticity. Plasticity is not a render software. You still need to use Blender. But the thing is, this is an update which I want to tell you. Like, I'm not going to make those classes. This is the last class I created, and it's a bit kind of big, so I think it makes sense to just upload this one only. So this is just a quick update which I'm going to tell you. So I hope you will like it, and tell me what's your thoughts about it. The plasticity, and it's so freaking cool. I like it. And my last message: if the Blender Bros got this message, so please, man, I understand that you're saying everything is right. Like, we don't need quantapology, everything. Like, but please be a little bit polite. That's something is we want. That's like you still, bully us, man.
Fucking Muppets.